Hi all. Today we will analyze February 8th. First, we started setting up MFI indicators with a period of 14, levels of 60, 50 and 40. We set the trading time as 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Let's look first where this indicator is pointing. This means that it has entered the oversold zone, and we should buy from this candle. Let's move to M1. What we see here. We would buy here and buy here. What do we show on M15? The M15 has the same picture. We would buy here and continue shopping, but we would have purchases here, here, and here. That is, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4 minuses, and in 5 minutes they would have come in. Our entry point would be here, and we get out onto the M5. Could we go out? We would have come out somewhere along the M5 at +5, along the M15, also in the area of +5. Take out the deal. At 30 minutes, approximately, we would have come out at +5. It was possible to close it and a little higher. It all depends on the location and your trading experience. If anyone is interested in trading, right, I will answer. We'll sort it out, we will study. Thank you, bye.